This is the elevator at 2750 Stickney Point Road in Sarasota, Florida. We're starting from the second floor. It's a little busy here, so we're just gonna take 1.5 rides on the elevator. Elevator's here. Let's go. One. Let's start with the cab view. So this was installed in 1984 as a General Oiltronic, and then modded in 2017 by ThyssenKrupp. Camera's a little out of focus. There we go. Let's go. One. Here's your inspection certificate. Let's take a look out. So out there is Stickney Point Road. Or if no one's down here, I think on second thought, we're just gonna go for one more ride. Yeah, no one's down here. So let's go to 2. Actually, let's ring the bell. So anyway, we're going to 2. Here's your view. And let's end it down at 1. So these are MAD-BS vandal resistant fixtures. Not sure what that noise was. It's kind of busy, so we're not gonna watch the elevator go up, but we are gonna get a look at the exterior of the elevator. We're just gonna get a look around the corner. So again, this is 2750, and there is the elevator right there. In addition, real quick, here is the front of the elevator. That'll be it.